Invasion Games, Agawang Panyo. Agawang Panyo. Agawang Panyo is a traditional Filipino game that's full of energy and excitement. It's usually played outdoors with two teams and one handkerchief placed in the middle. How is it played? First, two teams line up on opposite sides. Second, a handkerchief is placed in the center. Third, when the signal is given, one player from each team runs to grab the handkerchief. Fourth, the goal is to grab the panyo and return to your team without being tagged by other player. Skills you use in the game. First is speed, running fast to reach the handkerchief. Second, agility, dodging and changing direction quickly. Third, balance, staying steady while grabbing and escaping. Fourth, focus, watching for the signal and reacting fast. And last, teamwork, cheering and supporting your teammates. Thank you for listening.